Hey guys, what's up? My name is Takura, aka the Shona Prince, and I want to do a story time that I've been meaning to do for a while. And this is something that's bothered me for a while, But today, Nangoma just funga so much, and I was thinking about my friend. So I've sang about this in a song before, way back. It's a negative energy, and so many people have asked me, "I'm that story in the chokwa." For the first time, I want to admit I have lied, and about some of the things in the song. But the things that people doubt about the song are the real things. No story chokwa song. So I'm going to talk about it. So I think it's 2006 or 2007. I don't remember. You're gonna have to forgive me because my dates. Remember. It's not the So it's 2000 around that time. That was Form 4. I avoided Form 4 on purpose because I didn't want to continue. I hated school. I didn't fail on purpose because no. I was a really smart guy. I'll say that myself. But I knew that means and I hated school. And it's okay if you love school. I'm not saying anything. But for me, I hated school even till this day. Anyway, in the Form 4 chichichi. I know the drama is still nanas. I go tendo. Anyway, in the 4 that's because nani planning essay kuni cousin yangu boss nambogara kumusha for about a year or something. So me and my cousin Taironga takatomboza jumper board that is Taironga chitendo essay chichi achiti oneimba chichi that guy supported me so much. I don't know Webster, he lives in the Western Cape. Anyway, ati uya in vandati plan de kuti ndikauza moms kuti ndikuda kuenda uko vanoramba because vanoda kuti ndizokurudze chi form 4 pandela ndombovisitira chi mom sister yako kwarari kunaenda kuma holidays but bo so ndabva visitor. Okay, so I had a sister in Chipo, she took care of us. Take out good at this time. And Chipo Ngazoka, she bought me clothes. If you know the song, knows Chipo. Yeah, and I got some album, and I got last week. That's the woman I was talking about. That's my sister. I love her so much. I'll do a story time about her. She was also one of the most amazing people. I'll do a story time. But anyway, Chipandi gira yembe paya, the thing is that's my yembe one. Mariangu yaita shoma ndaudzwa antozondiana kandoza route kuti unokwira train mchegutu, right? Train hiyo inokusvitsa somewhere kuti no Bay Bridge. Anchezi kuti ndambudza mumwe nakati triangle. I'm forgetting the name. But I know there's someone out there who might know these things. Vanduza katunukwira chichichi dzikabokwira apa, then stop doing no Bay Bridge. Then munema about 20 k's from Bay Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. Move out train muenda ku road. But adaro patenda ku road. That's what road goga. Vatakwira kunyet vatapina Bay Bridge. Pina Bay Bridge nansina mari. Pandakaenda kuna malaicha. Vanoziva vana malaicha basa rawo. I'm sure vanoziva, but vasingaziva malaicha vanojamisa man boda upiwa marumberi. It's dangerous because vamwe vanogona kuuraya and you die. But then in Indaka one on Gorbo, and then what they do is they call your family member in SA. Okay, Tina Ningipanapa Murumzere, Mudatiana, bo 1,000 rands. It was a lot of money at that time. So what they do is cousin Yago Vuma, Waku Chengeta manch. Excuse me, Waku Chengeta Wagu Wagaramota Chichi, because I said Combino Kuntos, one. So it could take 2 weeks, it could take a month. So they would take care of me. But what they do now is they call every day. Confirm out. Are you still, because don't know how much feed the moon or you also tell out Pamari and then nobody knows what I want. Anyway. Tagara mota ya Zare. So yanga ito network yavano anga wanda, that wasn't the only car. So vatora mota twenda kukata mamisha so Bay Bridge, right? Kuneimba paimba babo ndo pakashika mota zakawanda papa kazara one, paka zara one isu state okay mazwa kwa zara, like the river was full. Do mazwa jioni, I think it still happens today, but time here it was crazy. Unajiona makaru mvura yakazara chichi, so would wait pamusha bye for days to mvura iserere ukwana wangu phone every day muchiri kumudene, so when we got there, my cousin not wanda toro umo agaramduzi akabati akabatanga ureka kudaira phone. So I said phone baby, and that means I have to go back to Bay Bridge. They have to take me back, and then those was one error. They can't continue with me. So tagara. Now the guy I want to talk about, I think I'm gonna call this series "The Time I Met an Angel in Human Form." So Mfeso, he was the same age as me, but he was in the belly, right? Akaba kumbira kuti komkanguti processor chichichi, ndanga tombozana naye taitongogara off for some days komkanguti processor, and then Twitter say tozozonera. I don't know where he came from. And then that's a great idea because none out of God's okay. And then they go, it was crazy. So I got on the hype up and I was like, damn. And the time we ran, says okay, and they Shona, Papa's nice also, we were brothers, The day came where we had to cross the river, and now once the time comes, these guys they turn into soldiers. I'm not in soldier mode. Now they don't play. They tell you if I tell you something, you do it quickly. This is a life or death situation, so you have to listen. First thing, we just got a riverbank. You take off your clothes. Take off your clothes. You put them here. You tie your shoelaces. I'm a short guy, and remember, I was 14 at this time, so I was short. That's gone. Anyway, Takura sababe. Taenda taswak seri. Mabab do. That's why they tell you you listen to what I say. And got manya mo mind. Got kare passages mo garapas. Nyara mo nyara. Wafana VSHD. Monotora mabega ana moms. And the papa we were about 21, and papa ni mwana mcheche angani 3 months. This happens all the time. I'm not saying this. It happens all the time. So that was our job. Timanya tombonzi famba in reverse, you know, musango ku South African side. Famba in reverse with some footprints kuti vafunga kuti vanhu vari kuenda uko, you know, just confusing the rangers. And then tasvika vatazozorora at one place takamira kuti kusvibe because paunozobuda kuti ukwanise kuenda kuMessina ku road inozokuendesa kuMessina pane masoja. And I guess maybe that was the only way. That's when they said to us, you have to okay, that's when the cars were coming kuzotorachi van manero iwayo. So papa ni 8 of us vanga vasina kubhadhara, and then there was vanga vakabhadhara ndo vakauya vakatorwa nemota isu takaanza mozozoona from there. So tasvika paya tavanzi pane masoja aripo, like I said. So road you have to walk one muchipfuura manheru because vaiti vapanze pane moto, they were like a, so like I said panga pane camp masoja pekuti muzopinda muroad yozenda Messina. So we had to wait for the night, and then you have to taifamba to one because vaiti vapanze vachidziya moto, so we have to walk tiri one wakanyarara kuti bude. Tafamba paya 8 of us tacrossa tingopinda mutara mota yemapurisa vatspota because maybe vanotozona panobuda nevanhu vatatiza takasplita tese. But now in this whole story, me and this kid only split once. Pamwe pese we would stick together no matter what. So takatatu tu pamwe kaenda kumwenda vatarara ipapo kwaedza patatanga kufamba tipinda Messina patasvika pano haikwa vanhu kuti tiende kumberi, right? And tatingorina plan tangozotomutsvaka basa towana mari tokwira kuenda next city totsvaka mari, you know, tasvika kwatokenda. So tiri pabus stop yapa musikana waya angamborasika anitandati vanhu 8 akasplita nawo nevanhu ameno takasarawo sei vatasangana naye ndep chichi, you know. And she was a thick girl, you know, she was one of those thick girls. And I'm not saying that for any reason yamuri kufunga, but I'll explain why I'm saying that. Anyway, tagara panapa katogona kupinza mota dzamatsotsi because anotoona kuti maboda jumper tikanochekereso, or togona kupinza mota tikabata mapurisa. So let's walk. And this is the part where endaitaura musong yenzi nevanhu vari kunyepa. So we walked 100 k's, okay, 100 k's from Messina to Louis Street. I know is that distance here, and I understand that some of you can doubt because I'm talking about my situation, so you don't understand my capabilities at now as human beings. You have no idea. So just explain that part to the Munski. This wasn't my first rodeo. It wasn't the first time walking those K's, okay? In the was ZCC because of my mom. At first I didn't want, but I wanted to go to a school as ZCC. ZCC and Mbungo, okay? Nantifambas Yonia, Yekwa Bishop near Mia. Now, ZCC one and shokore soka, mamborinzo. What that means is it's like fasting concept. I do not because I'm not, but you're sacrificing and asking God and whatever, you know the drill. So it's kind of like that way. Right? My congregation. We want to walk. We'll take days before Musanga and we walk and talk, praying to God. I think I was about 12 years that time. I don't remember. I wanted to go to boarding school because I'd never gone to boarding school. You know, we were struggling at home, so we couldn't afford boarding school. I just thought boarding school kids were so cool. So I wanted to go to boarding school, but I couldn't afford it. And I prayed and I said, God, I'm Form 3. Don't go one chance you're going to boarding school. Okay, so forgive me, I can't do my age exactly, but at that time I was Form 3. So take a quick. So it was Inini, my sister Anoditera, and she can confirm this. My twins, I think one girl and then one prophet Ainz Moyana who quick he was serious, you know. Angari, one of those prophets of Dana and so, you know, and he taught me a lot as we were walking Tienda. So we walked 250 k's from Kwekwe to Defe, go deep. You understand? 250 k's. We did 50 k's a day. My sister has done blisters like Kundikana and I don't know the other twins or whatever. I just here, but I don't in a prophet Takashik. You know, and Bishop Bagadoska, and guess what? The next term, because Defe is like in August. The next term, all these things, no confirm. Not believe. But if you don't want to believe, fuck you. Okay? I don't care. I just want to tell my story. Anyway, so I did 250 k's in 5 days. Go check it, go ask, go whatever. It's nothing shocking because it's easy. Was my situation. And before that, I'd done 80 k's from Chegu to Chinwe. I just here. I'm forgetting the actual, but I know the case I did. You know, so 100 k's was nothing to me. And what's funny is I didn't suggest this. My friend, he was the same age as me, remember? We'll just call him Angel. He was the one who was leading the operation. Everything. It was always him. Like, it doesn't make sense. You people don't understand. I can't tell you every detail because but anyway, so my range my game range. So planning area mapusa pano ngumira dot to jump upstairs. You know. So tafamba mapusa ashiga mpana the first thing you do is told him stand bato. Like he had a beautiful heart, I'm telling you. I told you she was thick, it was tough. Then to jump. Mapusa oseka wenda tobuda. Maneru takufamba msango. Tasangana ne bamwe edu batambula sana nawo. not lazy, but one mdara ngari papo. Mdara yeta tombofamba naye. So the trick manje iripo when we're doing these things. Kwa bvunza wanendo handisi kana chiriko. Ndiye kuti vanhu vanongangora late pangoita kana chini, because remember it's not just mapurisa, kuna matsotsi also. Pangoita chini vanhu vakusplit manya kutiza munhu machinda kwapenda. Tinosangwe momenta split na vamwe vakazara vatati navo, vatata wanda, vatata saka nawo nemdara wayo. Mdara wayo tikakwanisa kubva naye. So now it's me, Angel the girl, and mdara wayo. Kwaedza paya tafamba. Tangu tasvika mu Louis Richard. We took 3 days, like I say in the song. We took 3 days to get to Louis Richard. Tangu tasvika panguyo amene akatumwa na Mwari. This white guy, he came there. Akativigira angani plastic angani nehuro dzehuku dzeche. Musikira. Tinedza kagochwa. So tatana 3 days now jika. Remember tina mari atina chi. And paya hapana pokuti munhu wana pekujika or whatever. I don't know now. But what would happen now is in the last ndapinda so kutsanya taisanya 3 days. There's already got my shops so untakorwa nemap uchienda so nenzara. But panozojika uru inenge yashirinkai. So unogona kutotadza ujika. So we struggled. But like enough takasvika vanoziva ku Louis Richard pamachannels paya pana vanhu vanotengesa chi? Vanotengesa ma-orange. So takapiwa hanga akawanda amene vanobva nawo mafamu. So vanotongopa vanhu vakatipa mamwe acho vanotengesa but vakatipa. Because vanenge vachiona kuti vana ma-1 tikajika ma-orange tikadini ndobva kuti mutano umu mukapinda nemutano umu ma-1. Munoita sei? Munoita imiri uku neuku mukabato. So you have to be really strategic. Dai mamborara muzina mangwana. Takarara just before the tunnel. It was cold as hell. It was cold as hell, right? And both from a trucks. Angachimanya so quite on us get. And then Maxen vatamuka vatambo tanga titasa chididi chiwana tupindele vatazopinda. Little did we know kuti pana mapurisa akatotime. Takuda kumono tingo buda kudai mapurisa achiti achifika. Mfano wayo ya Angel. You see, andipakaita pane channels. Unfortunately one of don't know any bus one of and it's sad. But when bus ya uchibuda mtano ukuni mazikomo and then there's like a gorge. Very steep. The type of gorge you jump moga you roll to death. Angel wasn't the type of guy ukuthi ayimirira kuti achazofunga. So it's almost like he can see it coming. You know, time you realize something is happening, it's gone. So nishota so danger munhu aenda ndichitotera. Mustana obviously she couldn't and I think she was just tired for about. So if you're out there and you hear the story and if you remember it, please, I'd love to see at least someone because it's just bothered me for years, you know. But anyway, tajamba kuya nimdara ya jump ndakangana. So here's part 3. So tajamba magoja ya nedzimba dzivarungu tatambodzwa ndichi mukatambira padhuze munopfurwa nefuti you get shot. So we jump in there tikamira mapurisa ende vatabuda unopinda mu Louis Richard mu town uku kwangu kune orange farm and then uku kune dzimba dzivarungu. So tikapinda nepakati papo tikajambira uku taishutwa enda varungu taishutwa. So takapinda nemugomo kuseri dzimba dzivarungu and then you know makoma asingafambi vanhu so we're crawling famba tikambaira tivanoti ama1 you know tibaiwa chichichi. So takabva tati ngatinojamba ikuchi ku road and take the chance. But zvakabva zvaitika mind zvokuti takuda kujamba it was between houses kuside uku kwakuneimbwa so and there was kids playing. So pataifamba imba dzatanga kukura tikanzwa varungu vachiita ngo vari kuemba tawanda pavakaenda kwakwakudoka remember vatati kuti continue town number 1 let's just jump inji mu orange farm tongovata imomo tapinda imomo takuda kuti tizorore ndobva kwauya vanenge vachipatrola vangoona kuti vana vange mazimba takutotaura nyaya yakati I'm allowed to shoot you know maita lucky vatora kana nesu kumba kwake cottage kwake akatibikira taona pekurara takuda kuenda Maxen abva ati mukaenda town munosungwa rather dzokerai pane road inoenda kunonzi kutoya ndo. So kune hanzi machi vanoita zvetimba vaya mamita vanoita zvekucheka miti chichichi tikafamba about 10 I think it was 10 or 13 k's tasvika ikoko tikataura nevarungu. So remember it's me the guy Angel and mdara waya tatsvaga basa varungu vabva vachi tokwanisa kupa uyu mukuru maita vadiki. Mfano I remember Angel vapindira akati no please help us chichichi tiri vana but tokona kuita sei manya tichi muchituma vabvuma tarakidzwa kwatinogara. So kwatinogara kwakune 1 cottage block kareba cottage iyo ndoigara muSouth African mazimba aigara makaita mugomo you know munonzi mujinga akavaka mukuku yawo chichichi ndo kwataigara. So I want you to remember this the cottage here yainga ingori cottage maroom akawanda but ine 1 door and then aina window ekuti akwanisa kubuda right cool tashanda Monday ndiyakusvika and remember tairara panze dzimwe taigona kumbonzipinda yawo mukuku mangu chichi and there was a lady anokorekisa chikafu and then when you get paid you pay her. So nguva yafamba and the job was risky because vana vachingoti maforena so paichekwa miti modhonza motiza because we don't know find nothing will happen. So when it's time tomorrow was payday right ndobva tanzi mashanda afana chiendai munowana room mekurara umuyame mu cottage here. So mu cottage muyame manje takafara kuti tapinda tomborara mumba but chakandishamisa mind choti kuma 12 midnight or I don't know what time it was but it was midnight ndangumuka to commotion vanhu vachidzingirira vachidi mazitochi vane mazitochi avanoshandisa so kuti kutocha vanoita confusion. So vatitocha vatisimudza tabatwa mapurisa asvika going outside I saw blue lights and apfeka short zihombe ndisina belt but tanga kuti kangwana kahembe remember tasina mabags nene. So tried to ask ndikaenda mukuku ndotora belt nechine boots vakaramba so asina boots nasina belt tatora paitira about 13 taiswa mumota pane mufesi ayo baba mufesi yanga nenharo airamba kuenda right. But now chakandishamisa mind choti mfano ya Angel pakatanga kupinda mapurisa he was nowhere to be found vamwe vese vakabatwa iye hamene anga aripi hasvika ndinetsona tasungwa paya mufesi yana nchitaura tairamba kusungwa aizama kuvhura dore mapurisa tienda kukamp rairamba tasvika kumapurisa kuya so vanokuziva mulouis trichard mangoita square nema high walls, right? And then mujere mamakazara, I think it took about 100 people. So mamakazara so tasingakwanisa kuti pinda mujere mema vatigare panze. Now that night, you know, it's weird. That night kwakabatwa, I think it was a Friday, kwakabatwa face nebrother yake akaita monya, then brother yake ngari muhotel since they terrorize the clubs every weekend or Friday, right? Bochi tokogara panze. So airamba usungwa ngakati msungano kusera achinetsa achidi achimboda uya achituro achiteheda chitiza because I don't want to release. So after a while, mfesi yoya akabva jamba vaito muchikawo aichisa abva jamba pamusoro pedesk mukati bva fluorescent light maglass achidona patanga kucheka maglass. Now the next thing that happens after that is taking him to hospital, so that was the only option. So vakabva enda wawanda because I said aichisa even ari cuffed akasungwa aichisa. So apedza kuputsa maglass ayabva achikabva atouya akavhura tape akatanga umwa blazi yake akatanga kupukota main hospital vabuda vakaona nechikombi. I think mukati masara 1 or 2 people tagara mfesi yoya anga chiramba enda akaona donho arara bva asimuka vatanga kuzama jamba fence isangotasa chiti anozviita kudai munhu atoenda mwachitera munhu atoenda mwacheka ruoko ndichitera tienda when you jump kuseri kune mazitank, you know SA is a bit advanced, one mazitank anochisa tikatofunga kuti hapana tatuya kuri west patakasonesa jamba kwakwa kunetsa indangotanga kutera mfesi yakati ngatitise ngatiwande muti because right now vakazviziva chokunoza kubata vanosearch around kwakuda unyanzoidza vataburuka vatapinda musango we walking 10 km kudzokera kwekwe handina bhutsi handina chii mfesi iyeye harari gandanga aifamba chidai ndichibayiwa ndichidiba ndichingotera and also ndiyaizira nzira tichisvika kuside kwekwe as soon as tichakusvika panooneka ndikuona angel akamira takamhanyirana tikahagana mudara we loved each other because we had been through a lot kochii kwanga uripi nangobuda I just wanted to take it pace and then next thing ndakutoona mapurisa I couldn't wake you macoincidence acho ari kuwandisa but anyway tikati ngatibaye mangwana we packed our bags takubaya we packed our bags, we got our money and then we hit the road tisvika mulouis trichard tawana bhazi rikuenda straight kujoburg indonondisira because cousin yangu aigara mudhuze mulimpopo not limpopo kunonzi kutapa zimbi tapinda mubhazi meme takamira kuti tizare pauya mapurisa ada kupinda mubhazi tasechi angel uya wayamvana handingaziva kuti zvanga mudebele aitaura unenge zulu but usually they can hear vaona kutosungwa panapa. Do you know what he did? We were the same age. He got out of the bus, vatenga fodya yake, vatanga kuputa, vatanga kutaura namapurisa. And I'm thinking, what the fuck is he doing? Started talking to the policeman, and then next thing, they've let us, they just left. Abadzoka saved me again. Bhazi rakufamba takuenda ina had to stay, like I said, ndaiuya iyaenda kujoburg ndaitapa zimbi tibva tasvika kupi pandinoburukira iye akontinua enda kujoburg tanyora akanipa zvese madrese kumba adrese kupi tanyorana way to find each other and then we started crying. Like I've never cried like that. We cried. When I left, I cried. I was thinking, man, that's my dog, you know. And then when I found out that Tora and cousin Yangu were going to pick up, I spent my whole life looking for this kid. I've gone to all the places I've tried it for. I've done everything that anyone can try, but I've never found him again. And what story in Tora and but there's so many details and so many things that didn't make sense for that guy to be human. Almost like he wanted me to, because I don't think I wouldn't have done it, you know. So I've tried everything. Trust me. I've anything you can think of, I've tried it. And if he's out there, hopefully he can hear this and I can put this thing to rest because it's bothered me so much. And I'm one person that doesn't believe in miracles or, you know, there's superstitious aesthetic. But that one thing, because it happened to me, it's bothered me for so long. So, yeah, that's what happened.